Hello everyone. In this today's video, we will learn about one project called ClipX, which is aiming to become the landing e-learning platform and which is using blockchain technology. So we will see how mm, the users and creator will get benefit out of it. So let's get started. So as I mentioned, ClipX is aiming to become the leading e-learning platform which is on blockchain and which is operated using the blockchain and offers different payment options for this. Now about ClipX, so ClipX plans to support a paid video platform for the following areas, that will be for live streaming, video on demand, then for video hosting, for education, trainings, workshops, ideas and courses, also for video conferencing. Also, you can use ClipX platform for private and business sector. The platform will initially be operated centralized, and in a later planned version also it will be decentralized using blockchain technology. So anyone can create and watch videos in ClipX platform. The videos may be viewed free of charge or for a fee that will be nominal and may be offered at a fixed price or by subscription. So on ClipX platform, everyone is their own boss. You can design your own videos with your knowledge and distribute them all over the world using ClipX platform with a much fairer distribution and profits than on any other platform. This is most important thing. So as I mentioned, ClipX is a ecosystem with knowledge and learning platform. Uh, the ecosystem consists of consumers, advertisers, researchers, and also developers. So e-learning knowledge at the moment is getting more and more important. In 2020, almost every human in the world has access to internet. This makes it easy to build online business, learn new skills, and even teach others. There are many mentors already and also platforms which bring both together, students and teacher. So what is difference with ClipX platform? ClipX platform offer a platform that makes it possible to watch videos in an easy way, no matter on which device. Videos can be watched on apps or TV, tablet or smartphone or desktop. Also, the videos can be paid both in cryptocurrency and with fiat money, allowing people who don't have access to a bank account to learn new skills. In later version, they will also offer a platform decentrally. This will reduce restrictions and regulations of certain countries and also democratize that platform. Now we'll see what are the problems we are having currently with video streaming and what are their solutions. The biggest problem with popular centralized video platforms are there is a platform for creators are not paid fairly and there is no added value for customers. So creators invest a lot of time in production of videos and do not get fair share. The platform still receives most of the income. Also, creators can't make a living out of their passion. Customers only receive the service of the platform, what the platform provides. So it's restricted world. Now about ClipX platform, how it is providing solution to these problems. Here creators can get a fair share of their earnings. The platform receives always less than the creator, so the share is always maximum or is bigger than the platform for the creator. Creators can live on their passion. They are ready to develop any kind of videos which are which will be available for training, education and other perspective. Then the customers get the chances to recover their invested money by watching the great content for education. Now about ClipX token details. So pre-sale 58 million tokens are available, and their hard cap is about 72 million token. About ClipX, who will distribute this token? So it's ClipX GmbH, that is Germany, and tokens will be distributed right after 24 hours after the claiming, and it will be held through ICOs. There are different ICO phases: ICO phase 1, 2 and 3. So ICO phase 3 has already started, which will be until September 15. So for token allocation, ClipX has very good allocation. Like for product development, they have 22%; for business, for legal 20 and 12%. Also for marketing, they have huge amount, that is 38%, and for their employees 8% tokens will be used. If you want to more information about the ClipX platform, and if you want to read more about their project platform, you can go through their documents, white paper, privacy policy and everything. So for all these I have given the link in the description, you can go through that. Now what are the features of ClipX platform? They have features that set apart from other video platforms, like user and mentor. There are two types of people on the platform: the clippers, which are mentors or creators, and the clickers, who are the customers or users. The clippers produce and publish videos, and the clickers pay to get access to that videos. Then about payments, ClipX platform offer following payment option, that is ClipX token, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and many more. Also fiat money with PayPal, instant bank transfer and credit card. These options are also available. About ratings and comments, the clickers or the customers can rate different aspects of the video, for example video quality, audio quality and content quality. There is also a comment section to allow the clickers to ask specific question to clipper or to get in touch with their clickers. Advertising, about this feature, when buying a video, the clicker or the customer can decide whether he wants to see advertisements or not. If he decides to see advertisement before the video, the price of the video will be lower. About the roadmap, ClipX team is working hardly to achieve a good development platform. So currently ICO sale is going on with Q3, and next year Q1 and 2 they have platform development of ClipX platform, marketing, and in Q4 of 2021 the platform will be final release of the ClipX platform, and the expansion and growth will be taken care. About the team, so the ICO crypto team combines a passion for blockchain industry. They are expertise and proven record in finance, development and marketing. For more details about their team, you can go to their website. I have given the link in the description. Also ClipX has been published in many news and media platforms like Found ICO, Coin Codex, ICO Link, Coin Hills and then financial content. So this is all about ClipX platform. As I mentioned, if you want to have more details about it, I have given all the links in the description. You can join the ClipX platform and via the links which I have given in the description. So that's it for this ClipX platform. I hope you enjoyed this video and you like this video. If so, please don't forget to like this video, comment to this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Forex and Crypto Auditor. Thank you very much.